A gas sample has an initial volume of 12 liters and an initial pressure of 0.5 atmospheric pressure. If the gas is compressed to a final volume of 4 liters, what is the final pressure? So first guys, we have to rearrange the formula first to solve the unknown. So we have first copy the formula. We have P1 times V1 equals P2 times V2. So since to isolate this, we have to divide it both sides by V2. Cancel, cancel. So we have P2 is equals to P1 times V1 over P2. Ay, V2. So since we have the formula, let's solve this and substitute. So since we have the given which is 12 liters is to become an initial copy, and then we have the initial pressure of 0.5 copy, then we have 12 liters, and then the final volume is 4. So to solve this, we have 0.5 0.5 times 12 equals 6. Copy the new denominator, then 6 divided by 4 is 1.5. And this is our final answer for question number 1.